Most people waste 20 hours a week doing work that AI can do for free. Writing emails, summarizing documents, creating content, scheduling tasks. You're doing it manually, and it's costing you time you'll never get back. But here's the thing. You don't need to be a tech expert. You don't need to code. You don't need to spend money. You just need the right 7 tools, in the right order. And in the next 8 minutes, I'm going to hand you the exact beginner AI stack I use to save 20 hours every single week. By the end of this video, you will have a complete AI toolkit, 7 tools, all free to start, all beginner friendly. Each one cuts out a specific time-wasting task from your week. We're talking writing, research, scheduling, content, emails, summarizing, and automation. Stick around to the end. Tool number 7 is the one that ties everything together, and most beginners completely miss it. Let's get into it. First up, ChatGPT. This is your AI brain. Think of it like a super smart assistant that never sleeps and never gets tired. You type something in, it writes back. That's it. The problem most beginners have? They ask it bad questions and get bad answers. Here's the fix. Be specific. Instead of write an email, say, write a professional email to my client explaining a 2-day delay. Keep it under 100 words. Friendly but apologetic. Specific in, quality out. That's the rule. Use ChatGPT for emails, ideas, summaries, and first drafts of anything. Tool 2 is Notion AI. Notion is like a digital notebook, but smarter. You can dump all your tasks, notes, and ideas in one place. The AI part? It summarizes your notes, generates to-do lists, and even drafts content inside your workspace. Messy notes in, clean summary out, in under 10 seconds. If you're juggling a side hustle and a day job, this one is a game changer. Tool 3, Perplexity AI. This is your research tool. You know how Googling one thing turns into 45 minutes of clicking links? Perplexity stops that. You ask it a question, it reads the internet for you, and gives you one clear answer with sources. It's like having a research assistant that pulls only the important stuff. Use this for market research, learning new topics, or validating ideas fast. Tool 4, Canva AI. If you create any content, thumbnails, social posts, presentations, this is essential. Canva is a design tool. No design skills needed. The AI features let you generate images, remove backgrounds, and resize designs automatically. Type what you want. Click Generate, done. What used to take an hour in Photoshop now takes 2 minutes in Canva. Tool 5, Otter.ai. This one is for anyone who sits through meetings or interviews. Transcription means turning spoken words into written text, automatically. You hit record. Otter listens. It gives you a full written summary of everything said. No more scrambling to take notes. No more, wait, what did they say? Otter captures it all and pulls out the key action points for you. Tool 6, Claude AI, made by a company called Anthropic. Claude is similar to ChatGPT, but it's exceptionally good at one thing, handling long, complex documents. Upload a PDF, a contract, a report, a 50-page document, and ask it questions. What are the risks in this contract? Done in seconds. Summarize this 30-page report. Done in seconds. If your work involves reading and analyzing documents, Claude saves you hours every week. Tool 7, and this is the one most beginners miss, Zapier. It's an automation tool, and AI now powers it. Automation means making apps talk to each other automatically, without you doing anything. Example, every time you get an email with an attachment, Zapier automatically saves it to your Notion and sends you a Slack message. You do nothing, it just happens. This is where the real hours get saved. You're not just working faster, you're eliminating tasks entirely. Start with one simple automation. The tool walks you through it step by step. Let's add this up. ChatGPT, 5 hours. Notion AI, 3 hours. Perplexity, 2 hours. Canva AI, 3 hours. Otter, 2 hours. Claude, 2 hours. Zapier, 3 hours. That's 20 hours. Every single week. And every single tool on this list has a free plan. You don't need to pay for anything to begin. Pick one tool from this list today. Just one. Get comfortable with it this week, then add the next one. That's how the stack gets built, one tool at a time. Within 30 days, you'll barely recognize how you used to work. And next video, I'm doing a full walkthrough on how right now thousands of faceless YouTube channels are uploading videos without filming themselves. No camera, no microphone, just AI tools doing most of the work. You won't want to miss that one. Hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.